Mr. President, at the outset, I wish to extend my condolences to families and friends of those who lost their lives in the tragic event on Sunday. It is my great honor to attend this assembly. I believe that the outcome of this meeting will greatly contribute to international efforts in moving towards the achievement of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. Thailand has incorporated sustainable consumption and production into various national policy frameworks, including the establishment of 20 years roadmap, which aims to promote efficient use of resources and pollution reduction, as well as the launch of the Green Industry Mark Program and the Green Public Procurement Program. Plastic use reduction is a national agenda of Thailand. The 20 years roadmap for plastic waste management has been set up. An action plan has been drafted to ban single-use plastic bags and bottle capsules by 2022 and single-use plastic cups and straws by 2025. Thailand has also launched a campaign to reduce household plastic consumption. The campaign has resulted in a reduction of about 2.7 million plastic bags per day. On financing for green investment, the Environment Fund has supported local authorities across the country to conduct a waste separation at source program. We also support the development of green innovations and technologies, as well as mobilization of funding to promote efficient use of resources. Mr. President, Thailand's views that global and regional partnerships among stakeholders are important for successful implementation of sustainable consumption and production. Last year, Thailand joined UNEP's Clean Seas campaign to clean up the oceans with commitments against marine litter and plastic pollution. As the chair of ASEAN for this year, we hosted a special ASEAN ministerial meeting on marine debris last Tuesday, which produced the framework of action on marine debris. We also hosted last week the regional 3R Forum in Asia and the Pacific. Finally, we hope that the Assembly will continue to be the forum to address global environmental challenges and to find common solutions for the benefits of all without leaving anyone behind. I thank you, President.